This is a parrot, a kea, but not the sort of parrot that's content just with fruit and nut.
Its beak can certainly cope with such things, but it can also give a bite that kills. The keas tour the shearwater's burrows, listening. They've heard something. A shearwater chick is moving in its underground nest chamber. But the tunnel is too narrow for them. If they want the chick, they will have to dig for it. Keas became meat-eaters relatively recently and have no special adaptations to help them find their victims. But other birds took to eating meat much earlier, and they have some highly sophisticated ways of locating their targets.